Understanding secondary forests, nature's remarkable recovery. Hello, and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of our natural world, secondary forests. These are not just any forests, but they represent the remarkable resilience of nature. If you're ready to learn how nature heals and transforms, you're in the right place. Secondary forests are woodlands that regrow or re-establish themselves after significant disturbance or removal of the original forest. This disturbance could be due to various factors such as logging, agriculture, or natural events like fires. Unlike primary forests, which are largely untouched and represent the original forest cover, secondary forests are, in essence, nature's comeback, showcasing its ability to heal and thrive even after disruption. Secondary forests have unique characteristics distinguishing them from their primary counterparts. They usually have 1. Younger trees. The trees are relatively young, reflecting the forest's regrowth phase. 2. Higher light penetration. With less dense canopies, more sunlight reaches the forest floor, influencing the undergrowth and species composition. 3. Different species. These forests might lack the biodiversity of primary forests but often become a sanctuary for a variety of species, some of which are specially adapted to these conditions. 4. Dynamic growth. These forests change rapidly, with fast-growing species initially dominating and later making way for others. Despite being younger and less biodiverse than primary forests, secondary forests are crucial for several reasons. 1. Biodiversity hotspots. They can become refuges for many species, contributing to biodiversity conservation. 2. Carbon sequestration. They play a significant role in absorbing carbon dioxide, helping in the fight against climate change. 3. Soil rehabilitation. They help in soil recovery, preventing erosion, and maintaining the nutrient cycle. 4. Human well-being. Secondary forests provide resources and ecosystem services essential for many communities. In conclusion, secondary forests are not just a testament to nature's resilience but are also vital for ecological balance and our well-being. They remind us of nature's ability to recover and flourish, even after disturbance. We hope this video has been informative and has shed light on the incredible world of secondary forests. Remember, every forest, primary or secondary, is crucial and deserves our respect and protection. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.